Okay, I'll show you how to stream audio. So into iTunes, I'm going to turn this down so it's playing there. Emily Sandy next to me, you see there, Mercedes Benz Bluetooth, there's a tick next to it. That tick means that if this is set on media to Bluetooth, any audio that's playing on your phone will come through the speakers in your car. So, as I say, at the moment it's turned down there. Now, you've got media here. Click the media switch. If I knock, it's come onto my phone, my Bluetooth. But if I just knock that back, you've got devices and options. Options, Bluetooth audio devices. So you can actually select which one you want. So if it wasn't playing already, if it was playing auxiliary or something else, then you'd just go down to my phone and select my phone. But it's already playing. We'll just go back there. Let's see. So there we go. So now if I turn it up here, and then I use this to control the volume. So there you go. I can't play it too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright infringement. But that's how you stream audio.